How to get paid from Walmart Spark 2025. Driving for Walmart Spark can be a solid side hustle, but only if you know how the payments work. Most people get confused at first, so let's break down exactly how to get paid from Walmart Spark in 2025. Walmart Spark uses a third-party payment processor to handle driver payouts. After completing deliveries, your earnings appear in the Spark Driver app. To get paid, you'll need to set up a payment method during onboarding. This usually involves linking a bank account or debit card through the payment partner. Weekly payments are the default. Earnings from completed deliveries are typically deposited once per week, often on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, depending on your bank. You won't believe how many drivers miss instant payout options. In some regions, Spark offers faster access to earnings through debit card transfers, thus all fees may apply. Here's what most people get wrong. Tips may take additional time to process, especially if customers adjust them after delivery. You can track all earnings, tips, and bonuses directly in the app. Spark also offers incentives like peak pay during busy hours. The surprising truth is that drivers who check their app daily catch payment issues early and avoid delays. In 2025, getting paid from Walmart Spark is reliable if your payment setup is correct. Always keep your banking info updated and monitor payout notifications. Subscribe for more gig economy tips that help you earn smarter, not harder.